Hey folks, I want to get your feedback on which parts I should get for my future beta 2-stroke supermoto build.
Let's go for a ride. You are watching CycleCruza's all-in-one motorcycle channel. Subscribe today.
Some of you viewers keep asking me, CycleCruza, why a 2-stroke for the street? Dude, 2-strokes suck on the street, man. You got to get a 4-stroke for a supermoto. Much better on the street. You got to be like everybody else. Get a Honda Civic 450 or a WR 450F supermoto. Come on, CycleCruza. Listen here, I could give a shit what everybody else is doing. That's the main reason why I want to get a 2-stroke supermoto, because not a lot of people are doing it. You know, all the bad negatives that you guys mention about the 2-stroke on the street are like actually great attributes to me. And the reason why I want to get the 2-stroke, I want to experience that erratic behavior of the 2-stroke. I want to feel the not so smooth RPMs, the vibration, the bike jarring me. I want to smell that 2-stroke stank. I want to feel that 2-stroke hit of power. I want to hear that 2-stroke sound. Reminds me of my brother flying by doing a wheelie on his 2-stroke being chased by the police back in the day. You know what I'm saying? I want to experience that wild character. If I want a smooth bike, I always can get on my XDiavel CBR or WR250R anytime, man. This bike is not going to be a commuter bike. It's not something I'm going to take on the highway and just chill out there riding along. I want to take this, rip it, yank it, have fun, ride it up staircases, just be a total hooligan, have fun with it, man. That's why I want this. You know what I'm saying? I want to experience it, share it with you guys. We'll see how it works out, guys. You know, I like being that weirdo. You saw what I did with my bug out moto van. I built a custom built van so I can live in my van with my motorcycle out of parking lots, like I did on my 2 last bug out trips that I did. You know what I'm saying? I'm that weird bastard, and I wear that proudly, guys, because I don't want to be like everybody else. I live life on my terms. That's why you don't see me working at a job. I have my own business. I live and work on my terms. You know what I'm saying? And also, you know, what I love about the 2-strokes, I don't have to do valve adjustments every 15 hours because the 2-stroke doesn't have valves. All I have to do is a top-end rebuild every 150 plus hours. Takes less than 2 hours and less than like $200 to do. And if I jack the engine up, I can fix it cheaply. A 4-stroke, you jack the engine up, man, forget it. You got to buy a new engine, thousands of dollars. Forget that, man. And also, this Beta 300RR makes a great 2-stroke supermotos because it has the oil injection system where I don't have to worry about mixing fuel and oil at the gas station. It's got the street legal stuff on. All I have to do is add turn signals and a mirror. My dealer guarantees that I could make it street legal. And I'll slap the supermoto wheels on there and we'll see how it works out. And also, I plan on using this bike off-road as it's intended to use. I'll throw the dirt wheels on, head to the trails and the motocross track, and I think it's going to be absolutely awesome, and I'll share the experience with you guys. If it sucks, I can always sell the bike and go get that 4-stroke supermoto like everybody else. So I hope this answers your question. Okay, let's get to the real reason why I'm doing this video, to talk about the parts I'll be putting on this 300RR 2-stroke supermoto, to get your feedback and insight. I ordered this 300RR through the betausa.com website through their BYOB program. That stands for Buy Your Own Bike. So basically, you put your order through for all the different parts you want on the bike, and they'll put those parts on and then deliver it to your dealer, so it's already set to go, and that saves you time and money. You just have to pay a $500 deposit, and that's it online. And you're good to go, and it takes up to like 40 days. My build date is for April 16th, and I'll probably get it towards the end of April, just to let you know. Okay, now the parts that I added through the BYOB program, I added the cooling fan kit, concept seat for the IMS tank, and I'll be putting on a 4-gallon IMS tank. That should give me about 80 miles, which should be good for the street. Also, I'm adding a Recluse Radius X auto clutch. I want to try that out. It basically turns the bike into a semi-automatic where you don't have to use a clutch and just click through the gears. You don't have to worry about the bike stalling, but yet you can still use a clutch, do clutch up wheelies or whatever you want to do. So we'll see how that works out. If I don't like it, I can always put the the old setup back on. In my opinion, it'll be really awesome, especially off-road in the tight technical stuff. You don't have to worry about modulating the clutch. You can just focus on getting through the terrain and having fun. So we'll see how it works out. Also, I'm going to go one up to a stiffer spring for the fork, and also for the shock, I'll go one up to a stiffer spring. And also, I'll be getting probably getting some SUPERMOTO wheels that have the cush drive. And the sizing will be 3.5 by 17 for the front and 4.25 by 17 for the rear. I know some of you guys say, man, you got to get the 5 by 17 for the rear. It looks better. You know what? I called Beta. They said it's not going to work. It's going to rub on the frame. I don't want to do any modifications, none of that. So I'm not going to deal with it. 4.25 is fine. I want to do the half black and half red look, you know, like some of the KTM guys do with the half black and orange. So I don't know, what's your opinion? Or should I go all red or gold? I don't know. I'll probably have to put some polls up or something maybe and get you and see what everybody thinks. But I'll probably do the half black and half red. Also, I'm going to upgrade to the 320 millimeter rotor for the front brake. And also in the kit, the Beta sells, it also comes with a caliper mount bracket. I'm also going to be adding the Mako 360 bar mount, which basically helps eliminate any vibrations in the bars. It's expensive, but everybody says, man, it'll help reduce rider fatigue. So we'll see how that works out. Also, for the tires, now this is really where I want to get some input from you guys, to either go with the K73 tires, which has some grip where I can get a little bit in the dirt and do a little bit, ride in the grass and stuff like that. Or I can go with the Conti Attack SUPERMOTO wheels, but that's not really going to have, that good a grip to if I want to do some off-road fuckery or something like I like to do with my WR250R. So I want to get your opinion on that. What are some good tires that are like 80-20 tires, 80% road, 20% for dirt for the SUPERMOTO wheels? So please leave a comment. Let's talk about it. And any other parts that you think I should add to this bike, let's talk about it, man, because that way I can order all the stuff, so when the bike comes I'll have all this stuff and be able to do videos and putting this stuff on. And so I look forward to it, guys. It'll be awesome to share this build experience with you, and also share this two-stroke SUPERMOTO experience. We'll see if it's a good bike for a SUPERMOTO. If not, then so what? I had a good experience. Hey, and I could easily sell this Beta 300RR because they're in pretty high demand, and especially in the summertime when the dealers won't have them in stock. I can sell it really easy. Not a big deal, but I hope it works out, man. But anyways, for those of you guys who want to get my gear, my high-vis helmets, camo pants, leather jackets, boots, everything, I always include links in the description and comment section of my videos, or go to my website and click on the menu tab My Gear, and those are current links to all of my gear, cameras, stands, tools, everything. And if you want to see more of my videos, click on the menu tab My Videos, and those are a bunch of playlists with all my over 1,000 plus videos categorized into those playlists to make it easier for you to navigate through them. So hopefully you'll find something that will inform you, entertain you. Hey, hit thumbs up if you like this video. Share this video with your friends. Subscribe to my all-in-one motorcycle channel. And also check out my other channel, Bug-Out Moto, that showcases a van that I customized for cheap that allows me to live in my van with my motorcycle anywhere, and has a ton of cool mods. And that channel has everything from build videos, trip videos, anything and everything Bug-Out Moto. As a courtesy, I included 2 video playlists, one for new riders, and those are all of the videos I've done over the years that I feel are helpful for new riders, and also my popular videos playlist. Hey, hit the subscribe button. I appreciate it. Take care.